Using Dark Reader, this extension doesn't just invert colors of websites you visit. Powered by new Chrome engine features, it uses special intellectual way to transform bright blinding stuff into eye-relaxing, high-contrast, deluminated, dark-themed and just smart-looking web pages which are easy to read at night. Step 1. First of all, you need to add Dark Reader extension on your Google Chrome browser. Simply click the Add to Chrome button. Step 2. Now on the pop-up, you need to click on Add Extension button. Step 3. Once installed, you need to click on the extension and you will see the screen like below. Step 4. You can set everything according to your wish like brightness, contrast, grayscale, sepia. You can even set fonts too. Step 5. After setting up all the things, you will get to see the screen like below. This extension can even change the look of Facebook. So, this is how you can invert all your browser color and make them perfect to work at night.